Andy with Tech Influence here. As the title suggests, we're gonna be going over the difference between the Max Lens Mod and Max Lens Mod 2.0. Okay, I'm here on location. I've got the Max Lens Mod 2.0 installed on the 12, which is really exciting. I've got it set to the maximum resolution, which is actually 4K finally. I'm only doing 30 frames a second here, but I am gonna do a vlog separately that is 60 frames a second at 4K with the Max Lens Mod. So you're gonna see the difference between just the regular lens and then the Max Lens Mod 1.0 and the Max Lens Mod 2.0, which is cool because in the settings, you can actually adjust which Max Lens Mod you have on there. As displayed here, you can see that. Okay, here's the side-by-side. I'm holding it at arm's length here. Both of them have Max Lens Mods, so you can see them side-by-side. I've got them maxed out, so you can see the difference here. I am upscaling it and stretching it out in post. Both of them have the exact same settings on. I've got Horizon Lock. I've got Max Hyper Smooth on. There's 177 degrees here, and what was it, 175 or 170. Go on my skateboard. Let's do this. With that said, Andy with Tech Influence, excited to be able to share that comparison here. If you found that helpful, let me know. I'll have all the products here down in the description as an affiliate link if you want to help out the channel. The Volta is one of my favorite products out there, and I can't wait till I can get their selfie stick that's kind of like the Volta. So with that said, hit that like button and subscribe to Andy with Tech Influence. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.